Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Angelica Safitri. I'm from 12 Science 1. Today I will do an English practical exam. That is, reading a summary of the films Beetle Soldier. In this Beetle Soldier movie tells the story of Amek. He is a 6th grader who has a cleft lips, but it is not problem for Amek to live his life. Amek lives with his mother and his sister only, because Amek's father went to become a migrant worker. Meanwhile, Amek's mother is looking for income by just selling in a very simple stall in front of the house. Amek's sister name is Minun. Amek's sister is very smart. She won the championship in class many times. Meanwhile, Amek is often in love with his teacher named Pak Alim because of his ignorance. Amek also have some friends named Umbe and Achan. They have such great ambition. In the village of Mantar, there is a large and beautiful tree. They call it the tree of ideals because each branch is tied with a rope wood and is given a bottle as a wake that contains a piece of paper writing their ideals. Amek and his friend often play in the tree of this ambition. Initially, the film tells the story of Amek Mischief, who often missed school and was often punished even though Amek didn't graduate from elementary school the year before. But in fact, Amek is a good child. That is when he helped someone named Ketut because his motorcycle broke down. Amek and his two friends Umbe and Achan helped pull his bike by using his favorite horse, Smodeng. The national exam has arrived. 6th grade elementary school students in Mantar village are taking the exam. Amek teacher, Imbok's teacher, always motivate Amek and his friends to study harder so that they can pass the national exam, which is also followed by junior high school students. After the national exam was complete and results were announced, all 3rd grade junior high school students didn't pass the exam, including Minun, Amek's sister. Minun is very upset and sad. Then Minun goes to climb the tree of ambition to take the battle of ambition. But misfortune befell Minun. He fell from the tree of ambition and finally she died. During the incident, Amek was immediately sick for a few days because he was sad that his beloved sister had already left Amek. Finally, Amek recovered because he was entertained by Smodeng, his favorite horse. Then he followed horse racing and he won. At the time, Amek was very happy because the result of his national exam were announced. And finally, the 6th grade elementary school student of Mantar village passed all, including Amek. And with the help of Imbok, Amek's teacher, Amek managed to have a cleft lip operation, which then Amek could be normal, and Amek was more eager to achieve his dream of becoming a news broadcaster. Next, I will explain the intrinsic elements and extrinsic elements of the Beetle Soldier movie. The first, namely the intrinsic element. The intrinsic element contained in this film, namely the title. This film is titled Beetle Soldier. Then the intrinsic element which is next is the dam. In this film, there are two dams, namely minor dams and major dams. The minor dam is the dam of never being late for school. This is evidenced by the attitude of Amek and his friend who are late to school for various reasons, and major themes that tell about knowledge, aspiration, and discipline that are important for our future. Then the intrinsic element which is next is characterization. In this film, there are two characterizations, namely the main character, a character who carries the message of the story being played. The main character in this film is Amek, and additional figures are Umbe, Achan, Minun, and others. Then the intrinsic element which is next is representation. In this film, there are many character depictions. Some are protagonists, such as the inbox teacher, Amek, Umbe, Achan, and others. There are those who are antagonists, such Pak Alim, and there are also tritagonist character traits, such as Headmaster. Then the intrinsic element which is next is the storyline. The storyline is divided into 5, namely situation which tells Amek playing the Black Beetle, then racing action, namely Amek playing horse with Umbe, then generating circumstance, namely punished and scolded by the teacher, then climax, namely all elementary school and junior high school Mantar students do not pass the national exam, and finally denouement, namely all elementary school and junior high school Mantar students pass the national exam. If seen above, the storyline of the film's Beetle Soldier is a forward plot. Then unsur intrinsic, which next is the background. Setting or background is divided into 5. The first is pledge setting, namely Amek's house. The proof is that Amek watches television. The proof of school is where Amek and his friend demand education. Under the tree of ideals, this is evident in the pledge where Amek and his friend play. The beach is the proof of Amek's pledge and his fishing friends. The proof of the mosque is Umbe and his friends praying and gathering. The second, time setting. That is in the morning. The proof is that Amek is still sleeping. At noon, the proof is that Amek is participating in a horse race. In the afternoon, the proof is waiting at inbox teacher house. At night, Pak Pin, Amek, and their friends, inbox teacher, are in the ideal tree. The third is cultural background, namely school. The proof is Amek and his friend studied at school. The fourth setting is atmosphere, namely grief is proven from Minun death. Then confusion, it was proven from inbox teacher not at her house. Then the last intrinsic element is the point of view, namely author uses the author's method outside the story. The proof, in this film, no character knows the course of the story. The second is extrinsic element of the Beetle Soldier movie, namely the economic aspect. The proof is that Amek exchanged a goat for a cell phone. Then the social aspect, the proof is that inbox teacher helps parents to read. Then the last one is the moral aspect. The proof is that Amek made sacrifices for his friends so they could follow the test. So many videos of my explanation about the summary and the elements in the film Beetle Soldier. For more or less, I'm sorry. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.